Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my beef stroganoff. Please sit back and enjoy. So the first thing I am doing is peeling my mushrooms and removing the stem. As you can see, they are also very dirty, so I'll be giving them a clean. After I've cleaned them, I will be slicing them into strips and setting them aside for later. Now with my onions, I'll just be removing the skin, cutting them in half, slicing one onion and dicing the other onion. Next up, it's time to chop my meat. I'll just be slicing it into strips. Don't go too thin as it'll overcook, but not too thick as it will make it harder to eat. Just cut it as I am here. Time to go over the list of ingredients. First up, I've got 2 onions, 1 3/4 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1½ cups beef stock, 500 grams Scotch fillet, which is beef, 2 serves of dried pasta, 350 grams Portabello mushroom, ½ cup sour cream, and 1 28 gram beef stockpot. So just before you start cooking, you need to get your pasta cooking in boiling salted water. Then season your meat with salt and pepper and add all the flour to the meat and give it a mix around to completely coat it. Okay, so next up, get your cooking device and add in a splash of oil. Wait for it to get very hot and then add in your beef to brown it without cooking it all the way through. You may need to do this in batches depending on the size of your cooking pot. Straight up after browning your meat and removing it from the pan, add in your mushrooms, onion and half of your butter and start cooking them. Once it's all in, you just want to have it on high and keep on cooking it until most of the liquid from the mushrooms has completely disappeared, mixing it every now and again. Okay, now that most of the liquid from my mushrooms has gone, you just want to add in your garlic, mustard and the rest of your butter and your Worcestershire sauce. Give it a mix through and then add in all your beef stock. As soon as you've added in your beef stock, you can add in your beef stock pot, mix it through and then add in your beef with all the accumulated juices. Heat it just until the meat is cooked to how you like it and then turn off the heat completely. Once the heat is off, add in your sour cream and stir it. Don't add in the sour cream while it's still boiling as it will split. Once completely incorporated, check for seasoning and adjust to your tastes. Then stir in your pasta. You are now left with a very tasty beef stroganoff. I hope you enjoyed. Try it yourself. See you in the next video.